Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about phonological awareness, which is kind of a fancy way of just talking about our letter sounds. So I found this really fun matching game off of a website that'll be in the description below that you can print out at home yourself and do. Comes with all of our instructions and materials and the game pieces. Now, I tweaked mine just a little bit so it was easier for you guys to see, which is the same thing you can do, or you can do it exactly the way the activity tells you. It's up to you. So our activity comes with the directions like we said, the game board pieces, and these little stop or does not belong signs. These are what we're going to use with our boards. The object of our game is to be able to find the sound that does not belong, and specifically the beginning sound of the pictures. So the beginning sound of the word. If we look at our first board, we have a house, a zebra, and a helicopter. So in the beginning of each of those words, we hear z and what doesn't belong? Our z sound, our zebra. So I go ahead and I put a does not belong sign on it. Easy, right? Let's try the second board. Now we have a lion, a goat, and a lizard. So g, I hear two sounds and one g sound. So our goat does not belong. Board number 3. We have a fan, a popsicle, and a parrot. P. What doesn't belong? Our fan. It does not say p like a popsicle or a parrot. Our fourth game board has a bed, bed, a bug, or a window. Our w does not say the same as b, so that is our wrong sound. If we look at board number 5, we have a turkey, a pencil, and a turtle. We have p. Our p sound does not belong, so we put our do not belong sign. Board number 6, we have a hand, a ladder, and a lamp. We have as our do not belong sound. These are lamp and ladder. They belong together. Board number 7. We have a balloon, a bike, and a clown. Which one doesn't belong? Balloon, bike, clown. Our clown does not belong. So we're going to look at our board number 8. We have a ring, paint, and a penny. Ring, paint, penny. Our ring does not belong. It says the sound, not p, like paint and penny. Here we have on board 9 a violin, violin, a needle, and a newspaper. So we have n. Our violin does not belong. It says the v sound. Our last board, board number 10, has grapes, skateboard, and grass. The man's cutting grass. So grapes, skateboard, grass. Our sound that does not belong is our skateboard, the S sound. So guys, this is a really fun matching game that you can play at home by yourself or with your parents to work on all of your beginning sounds. If you guys want, go ahead, click the link in the description below and try it yourself. Have a great day.